toy. Look what I have for you. Do you want that? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you got it.
She got it.
You got it. Good job, Sierra. Oops, you let it go.
She got it.
You got it. Sierra, are you playing with your bear? Oop, you're gonna take it with you? Okay. You're so funny. You got a rattle? You're gonna shake it? Hi. Oh, oh. Sierra, that's your book. You're reading a book. Oh my goodness. It must be very exciting.